Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to actually make money with ChatGPT on your phone. And I mean 2 prompts that end with something you can post and get paid for, not just a list of ideas. Stick with me to the end, because the last tap is the one that puts the finished work straight onto your clipboard. So let's get into it. Swipe up to open your apps, tap the search bar, and type in ChatGPT. Now open it. And it opens on a brand new chat, which is exactly what we want. Tap the message box at the bottom, where it says Ask ChatGPT. Now here's the first prompt, and type it exactly like this. Give me 5 realistic ways to make money online with no money to start. That last part matters, because without it you get answers that need a budget you don't have. Now tap the send button. And there's your answer. It gives you a table with the method on the left and what you're actually selling on the right, and then it breaks every one of them down underneath. Let me scroll through it so you can see. Writing, video editing, virtual assistant work, resume help, tutoring. And under each one it tells you how to start and who to approach. But a list of ideas has never made anybody a single dollar, so let's turn one of them into a real product. Let me scroll back down to the bottom and tap the message box again. And this is the prompt that does the work. Write a Fiverr gig description I can post today for number 1. Notice I just said number 1, because ChatGPT already knows what that is from the answer above. That's the trick. You keep building in the same chat instead of starting over. Tap send. And this is the part people miss. That is a finished listing. What's included, what the buyer gets, who it's for, and a closing line that asks for the order. You could paste that into Fiverr, or Upwork, or your own social media page, right now. And to take it with you, look under the message. Copy, read aloud, share. Tap copy, and there it is, copied to clipboard. It's on your phone, ready to paste. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT, tap the message box, and ask for 5 realistic ways to make money online with no money to start. Read the table it gives you, and pick the one that fits your skills. Then, in the same chat, ask it to write the gig description for that number. And tap copy underneath the answer to put the whole thing on your clipboard. 2 prompts, and you've got something to sell. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.